The twice-annual Russian mud is still a major military problem. So, Russia has developed a road-laying truck for its engineering troops called the KVD, short for Temporary Road System, to lay down a 50-meter-long aluminum sheet to help tanks and other armored vehicles to cross some of the stickiest paths. There's not just mud to contend with, but swamps and bogs which have slowed down invading armies in the past. The mud and swamps did not defeat those armies, and Russian soldiers have struggled just as much in learning how to move and fight in such terrain. The mud does not pick sides. Russians design their vehicles to function under these conditions by incorporating low ground pressure, wide tracks or tires, raised ground clearance and occasionally auxiliary tracks or tires, the newsletter noted. Still, the KVD's aluminum road can take up to 60 tons of weight, more than enough to handle main battle tanks including Russia's new T-14 armada. The vehicle is a Kamaz 63501 truck which rolls out the carpet with an electric motor. The Russian Ministry of Defense has already conducted preliminary tests involving a 2-meter deep swamp and a column of heavy, tracked vehicles. The road remained intact, as Vesti reported. Besides moving through swamps, the KVD can help in river crossing operations. The Russian army uses a heavy pontoon bridge, the Pages 2005M, also carried on Kamaz trucks. These can get stuck in mud along riverbanks when deploying the bridges. Thus, the solution is to lay a temporary road, drive onto it, and then drop the pontoons. It's a seemingly minor piece of hardware, but it adds up in giving Russia's armored forces some flexibility.